Okay, I have my engage ready. Let me know when the DPS is ready.
I'm
Is
ready.
DPS ready?
Are you ready?
Okay. Get ready in 3, 2, 1 on me now.
Oh no,
Okay, kite, kite.
BTS.
They're gonna engage. They're gonna engage. Okay. Why are they not engaging?
Parang
CD.
We can
bro,
just go. We can just hold here. Hold here. Don't go into the choke. They're gonna clap in the choke. Hold here. Hold here.
I can see your ayun.
Okay.
Yung palit.
Okay. She's coming. Let me know when your DPS is ready again. Let me know.
Ready?
Okay,
Ready?
they wasted everything. Going. Going deep. Deep. DPS ready. DPS on me.
Ready.
3, 2, 1. On these two. Okay, I'm holding them. Go back. Go back. Kill the Astral inside us. Kill Lapitak. Then we go back. Watch. Heals on the
Why?
front. Gig pot if you have. Come back. Southeast. Southeast up top. Come southeast. Heal zero. Okay. Come south. Go southeast, guys. Go southeast up to the ping. Go southeast.
Pitak.
Okay, I'm gonna night armor. Keep going southeast. Spread. We wait for our healers.
I'll put an nursery
Heal up.
here.
Yeah,
Okay. Nursery
Okay.
now.
They're gonna look soon. Okay. We have DPS.
Yes.
Ready.
Okay. DPS. 3, 2, 1. On me now. Nice. Come back. I'll call for brawl when I can. We go back. Guys, don't stay on the choke. You're gonna get clapped there. They're running full clap. Okay, do I have everyone here? We need to stabilize. Okay, guys, come back. Don't go in the choke. They're gonna clap you. They're running full clap with Dawn Song.
Okay.
Hold. Let them stabilize. We don't have mana on our healers. Try to regen, guys. Okay, they're inching up. Kishi's gonna look. Okay, he's looking. Get ready, we're gonna counter. Counter in 3, 2, 1. On me now.
Oh, stop.
Nice. Go back. Don't stay on the choke. Go
I don't have mana. I don't have mana.
southeast. Keep going southeast. We hold in the open world. They can clap us in open world. Stay open world.
Don't have mana. Shit.
Rio likes his
We wait for mana. Wait. He's looking. Okay. We need to stabilize. Heal up, Letitia. Okay, get ready. They waste everything. DPS
Yes.
ready on the guys inside us. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, they always stop.
Oh no, we got stopped. Come back. Keep going back. Stabilize here.
Oh, Rio's dead. On Rio. Kill Rio. Never mind.
He's D-tank though. Okay, they're engaging now.
I'm dead. Heal me, please.
We call GG. Reset. Guys, try not to stay on the choke because they are running full clap. They will clap you. I'm gonna try to counter them.
You are all out of mana.
Yeah, we wait for our mana. We just wait for mana.
Mana problem.
Yo, it's alright. Don't do that, huh? They'll use it as an excuse. Okay, Exia, once you're at a decent amount, you can start.
Let's go.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
Okay, I'll go for the first engager, okay?
Okay.
Wait. Come, walk in. Have clericals. If you don't have clericals, stay on the back line. Okay, Kishi's gonna engage. Look at their back line. DPS in 3, 2, 1. Come to me. Go back.
We still have in defensive mode.
Yeah, we still have defensives. Guys, go back. Go back southeast, go back southeast, go back up.
Kill up Pitax.
Lapitak, Chel.
Okay. My next engage is gonna be a fake, and then we're gonna engage on Lapitak when he comes through and tries to astral us, okay? Go back, guys. Go back, go back, go back. Okay. Wait, stabilize, stabilize. Let me know when DPS is ready.
RB.
Ready? Defense, defense,
Oh,
defense,
ready,
defense.
got
Engage now. Okay, wait. I'm gonna fake this. This is a fake. Don't engage. The root bound is gone. Root bound is gone.
Okay.
Okay. Look at Ryuji. Look at Ryuji.
Okay.
Kill Ryuji. Kill Ryuji. Kill Ryuji. I stop them. Kill Ryuji. They don't have a root bound.
Lapitak.
Nice. Come back. Stabilize. After Lapitak's astral, we go in. We brawl. Okay, go brawl.
Bro,
Go brawl.
Lapitak, bro.
There, root bound is up. Root bound is up. Be careful. Come back if you're low HP. Come back if you're low HP. I have my engage up. The root bound is wasted. Kizuri, look on Kizuri. We're gonna engage in 3, 2, 1. Kill this guy. Okay. Get ready. We're gonna have defensives. The root bound is wasted. Once I have my engage up, we can engage. We can wall this. Wait. Hold. Stabilize. We're too low HP. Stabilize.
Lapitak dito, lapitak.
Lapitak. Okay.
Okay, engage.
Oh, no.
Defensive.
Defensives. They're engaging.
Yes.
It's engaging. Okay, the root bound is gone. Do we still have DPS to engage?
Yes. Still have me. RB.
RP is still up. Wait. We can wait on the regears. We don't have to rush this. We can just wait till you guys regear and come back. I have my night armor. I will stop the next engage. Okay, I stop their engage. Okay, get ready. Counter in 3, 2, 1. Oh, we don't have life plus.
Oh my god.
We'll wipe.
Naubos tayo dun.
We'll wipe, man. How can we do that better? See. I need to somehow bait that root bound out. Then they just die if they don't have root bound. They're playing a choke, no? My air compress will be a fake, after which I'm gonna use my... Wait, okay. It's not them, right? Yeah, so after that I'm gonna use my... What do you call this? Cultist sandals. Then we're gonna go in, brawl, then you guys use your E's. Because after I use my E, they will use the root bound to defend. I see their only defensive is the root bound. Everyone got that? Nice. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, everyone got